The following are the instructions for calibrating the center of the B-axis. Calibrating the center of the B-axis is used in the debugging stage of the machine tool to determine the center of the B-axis of the chuck and the mechanical coordinate position under the XZ coordinate system. If it is used for the first time or in one direction of the XZ axis, the pulse returns to the origin, the parameter returns to the origin, and the switch position changes, or the machine tool needs to be recalibrated for calibration due to mechanical reasons. The rectangular tube size is automatically recognized by this system, which is automatically recognized by the graphics on this interface. First, place the rectangular tube on the blasing. Lay the surface flat to ensure that the cutting head is above. Make sure that all axes go back to the origin, and use this standard rectangular tube. If there is a deviation in the rectangular tube, the error of the chuck center obtained by calibration will be enlarged. Then click Start Calibration, click OK, and a measurement result will be obtained. The mechanical center coordinate X and the mechanical center coordinate Z. Click OK. This is the calibration B-axis center. Then there is the function of flat seeking. One side is called flat. The first thing is to confirm the width of the pipe compared to the plane. It is usually calculated for you directly and automatically by going to the graphics imported by the system. Confirm that the cutting head is above. Confirm that all axes have returned to the origin, and set the corresponding capacitor rotating surface speed. After setting, the point starts to adjust the frequency. If the x-axis has returned to the midpoint, it can start to be flatter. If not, it is best to return the x-axis to the center first, and then return to the center to be flatter. The flatter angle will be saved. After saving, the center operation will be carried out at this flatter angle to ensure the level of this pipe. It will be returned at this angle before the next single-sided flat call. Click OK. Then there is the surge. The width and height are obtained by reading the parameters of the system. Click on the surge. The function of the surge is to determine the deviation caused by the non-coincidence of the center of the pipe and the center of the chuck when the pipe is held. In turn, ensure the track and accuracy during processing, and find the center of the pipe before processing, so that the software records the deviation between the center of the pipe and the center of the chuck. First, confirm that all axes are returned to the origin. Confirm that they have been returned and leveled. Click Start Search. Get the search result, and click Confirm. Then the square tube is supported at 4 o'clock. And then the L-type supports the square tube and the angle steel. The Y-clock search is to support the square tube. 4 points to find the middle to support the round tube. 5 points to find the middle is to add single-sided gluing on the basis of 4 points to find the middle, and then support the elliptical tube H-shaped steel in the oval, and then manually set it to support the E-shaped tube.